Okay, let's get this loaf into the oven. It has been proofing for about 2 hours. I've got some parchment paper again this time because I want to put water on the top and I don't want to worry about it sticking to the peel. There we go. Get my blade wet. I think I'll just do a hashtag. This dough is 3 days old now. Okay, I'll get this into the oven and we'll see how it does. You can see how nice and bubbly that dough looks. Or maybe you can't with the camera, but it's looking really nice. This is our second loaf. It's ready to slice now. So let's see how it looks on the inside. We've got a really nice open crumb, and this comes from the CO2 being absorbed into the dough, so that when you go to final proof it, it looks like it's not really proofing. But really what happens is that CO2 that's absorbed into the dough will expand when it hits that hot stone. So you want a really nice hot stone when you bake this kind of bread. This is our second loaf from our batch of modified gluten bread. Tomorrow we will be baking loaf 3. It will have been fermenting for 4 days. This extreme type of fermentation is good for those who are looking to modify the gluten in their bread for easier digestibility.